for the summer harvest, and to celebrate, my friends from the Ingles table and I are cooking up some amazing summertime favorites. We're so glad you're here. Enjoy.
In this episode, Patty and John make an Italian-inspired sausage ciambotta.
It's summer harvest time, and boy, do we have a great recipe for you. Patty, tell them what we got.
Okay, well, it's called Ciambotta. It's traditionally made with all vegetables, and it's from southern Italy and Sicily. We're gonna add some sweet Italian sausage to it. I like to get the sausage in the casing, and so all I did was cut it open, and I'm breaking it up in here to brown it out.
All right, while you're doing that, on the other side of the dish here, I'm gonna add the potatoes and the onions.
Okay, oh, that's a good idea. We'll do half and
This is gonna be perfect.
Yeah, this will be good. And this really is, it's like the easiest thing you'll ever make.
All right, I've got zucchini and red pepper.
Okay.
I'm gonna put that in. I'm gonna let her stir that up a bit. We got eggplant. The eggplant, now this looks like a ton of veggies, but they are gonna cook down. I love it. You want some spices?
Yeah,
or you think you need a little more oil?
Put the spices in.
Once she coats that and gets all those vegetables coated, we're gonna put in probably a good tablespoon of tomato paste.
What you wanna do when you're adding tomato paste, you wanna find like a little hot spot on here, because you kinda wanna cook it a little bit, cook it out a little. Is that gonna come on?
Help with that.
Okay.
Yep.
Sorry, my
and that's
glasses
gonna
are
give it a little richness in the background.
Yeah.
When this kind of comes together a little bit, we're going to add 1 can of 15 ounce diced tomatoes, a third of a cup of water. Actually, I could add the water now. How that's going to help distribute the tomato paste.
Yeah. All right. You can throw a little torn basil, and then I'll add some later on at the end. So you can add that now, John.
Okay. And then our optional ingredient, which is my favorite, is to add a little bit of red wine. Forgot the parsley. We also put in what, a palm?
Like a palmful of that.
And it's a good palmful of parsley, as you'll see. We'll put that in there. You ready for the red wine?
I'm going to go once around the pan, but it's probably
less than a cup, right?
About a quarter of a cup. And you want to get a wine that you would drink. Stay away from anything that says like cooking wine or anything like that. It's just too sugary. I'm going to put the garlic in.
We got to put a couple cloves of garlic in here.
I'm going to grate the garlic just because it distributes better. It'll be
Believe it or not, we are almost done.
I know.
We put the cover on this, we let it simmer, and it's pretty much till your potatoes are cooked.
So I'm going to put the lid on it.
All right.
And let it simmer
I'm going to show
away.
you the finished product.
Oh, good.
Got one done here.
Yay.
Look at this.
Look at that.
What do you say, Patty? Should we bring this to the table and share it?
I think we should.
One more thing.
Oh, we do. We have to have a little toast.
Remember we said you got to buy something that you would drink. So cheers.
So cheers, salute.
I hope you've enjoyed your time with us today. We sure appreciate you stopping by. There's nothing that improves a wonderful meal more than a special feeling of sharing it with friends and family. Make sure and explore the rest of the site here at inglestable.com. Thanks again, y'all.